I'll show you how to use two Ethernet connections at the same time on your Windows PC. If your PC has a built-in Ethernet port, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Otherwise, you can use a USB to Ethernet adapter or even a USB hub with a port. In order to use a second Ethernet connection, you'll need a second Ethernet port, which will most likely require a USB Ethernet adapter. So take note of what types of ports you have available on your PC, and then pick an adapter accordingly. You can use multiple Ethernet adapters at the same time, so don't worry if your first Ethernet connection is also using one. Then plug your adapter into your PC and simply connect an Ethernet cable between it and your internet source. Windows will automatically detect the device and, if necessary, attempt to install the proper drivers for it. But if you're using an older version of Windows, you might be prompted to search for the drivers and install them. In that case, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify from our site at speedify.com. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWrt and powered by Speedify routers. So your internet just works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.